Welcome to yet another Adobe Monday. My goal here is to go straight to the point without wasting your time every single week. This is part 11 of this series and today we'll learn how to make custom brushes in Adobe Illustrator. Are you ready? Illustrator brushes can be applied to any stroke, and here are some examples of default brushes that comes with Illustrator. However, default brushes are quite limited, so let's take a look at how to create your own brush. Create a line similar to a line which you would like to use for drawing later on. As a simple example, I will use Ellipse tool to make a brush that is narrower at the ends. With the shape still selected, click on the brush menu at the top of the screen and then click on this plus icon at the bottom and select Art Brush. Art Brush is commonly what you're looking for. Name your brush and click OK. Our new brush was added to the list of brushes, and as you can see, we can already use it. Let's create another brush. I will use Ellipse tool again, cut it in half and add an arrow to the wider side. With it selected, let me quickly repeat the whole process exactly as we did the first time. Now if I draw a very short line, my arrow gets squished, and if I draw a long line, the arrow is weirdly stretched. So let's fix this. Double click on the brush to open the same settings and select Stretch Between Guides, and then move those guides to fit your needs. In my case, I want the arrow to be outside of them. Now you can see that no matter how long or how short the line is, arrow will always look the way I created it. Arrow is just an example to show the unlimited possibilities when creating your brushes. Just a quick tip, if you're using a graphic tablet, you might want to select Scatter Brush instead of Art Brush if you want your brush to react to the pressure. Most commonly that would be the brush to get thicker if you press harder. And here it is! That was fast, right? All I'm asking you is to like the video and subscribe. There will be more videos like that every single week. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.